Okay guys, so what we've done now is we've just sent another 2 Bitcoin into the Cloud Token wallet. So as you can see here, BTC, you'll see 2.00 USD, it's worth $12,280. Okay, so now, just like a wallet like any others, now what we're going to do is we want to use this Bitcoin, this 2 Bitcoin. I'm going to top up to what we've got. So we need to send this to the Jarvis software. So we click on top left. Okay. We click on projects. We click on Jarvis. Okay. And you can see there, I have got 7.2 Bitcoin in there. That's being traded already. So we're going to have another 2, so we're going to have 9.2 Bitcoin. Okay, today's value of the 7 is 44,000. We're going to load this up because we've got the big event on the 12th, so I want to get more Bitcoin in here. And what we're going to do is we need to click on this link, Bitcoin, and then we're going to click on the max. And see there, total is 2 Bitcoin, a little bit of a small fee there. And we want to hit the max button. So we click on the max button. Okay, we click on the max button and then we click on proceed, sorry, it's me. Then we enter the Google authentication code. Okay, we need to enter this code in. So this is extra security. So we're going to type in the code I got here. Okay, and then we click on proceed. And this is going to pull it into the trading. So we're going to have 9.2 Bitcoin in there trading. So just letting the it update it. My internet a little bit slow here. So that's it. We've got the big event at Thailand coming at the weekend, and we're going to see it literally, it's sold out. I would have loved to have been there, but there we go, success. So that means we'll have 9 Bitcoin in there, 9.2, and we're going to keep loading it up, and we're just going to keep building it because you're just moving your Bitcoin into here to trade, okay? That's it, guys. Really is that simple. Okay, it takes a little, give it literally 5-10 minutes to update and it'll be good. But you can see here the performance of the team. They're really, building really big now. And again, you can see different amounts there that people are putting in. You see the USD here, $1,024. Some people just dipping the toe in the water, that's fine. They're just getting started, 8,714 there and so forth. So again, whatever you've got in here, okay, it'll trade and it'll earn approximately 0.3% daily, okay, 0.3% daily passively. I mean, that's pretty amazing, guys. It really is. So take action now, and I'll see you at the top. God bless you.